Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two of making a cake topper with a lowercase I and what to do with this. I made a video the other day on how to do this, and I just had somebody that evidently watches all my videos uh, become a good friend of mine. Made a suggestion, and it's not that big a deal, but it it really would help. So I've got everything broken apart, and the top of my eye is a circle, and it's not perfect, but I'm going to leave it that shape because that's what the shape it came into. He suggested putting a circle inside the circle. Well, even better, go to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour that circle to the inside 0.1 of an inch. We're actually going to select it all and break contour apart, and then we're going to grab them. But let's set our nudge factor on something pretty low, 0.25. And let's nudge this circle down. That's too much. Let's go 0.1. And let's just nudge both these circles around. Let's go 0.001, which is normal my setting. And he suggested doing this, and it's going to make the top of the eye kind of stand out and highlight it. And it does. And I'm happy to share it. That looks pretty cool, and it won't fall out. Of course, you could change it red to, just so you'll know it's a hairline, but that's really beside the point. So I thank him for the suggestion, and it does distinguish that it's a capital or a small case I. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.